Hey guys, so this is part 2 of making slime. So I haven't finished yet. It's still how I last showed you. You know, all golden. This looks like boogers, but like really dark. This doesn't even look like boogers. Boogers are yellow, right? I'm pretty sure.
Boogers?
Let's make boogers, guys. Get some yellow in here.
No, wait. I know. Okay. I'll help. So let me see. You need a tint.
Okay. Let's put some in. Here, can I make that?
Can I put a little? So we got some yellow. It's kind of the same. What if we put clumps in it?
What?
Can we?
Put more in. Okay, so I put enough amount. Now let's hope this turns a different color. What if it turns brown? Okay. I think we have to add a lot of this yellow. Should we, guys?
Put 2 drops.
2 drops in. Manda! Josie, take out the slime.
Okay. So she's taking a break. So, she put some in. Okay, so it's kind of the same. You could see the yellow, like it's there, but like it's not there, you know? Okay, put 2 drops. I don't think we could fix it. This literally looks like boogers. Hold up. Ew, that's disgusting.
Can I do it in a little bit or right now? Can I do it in a little bit or right now?
It looks darker on screen, on the video, but it's lighter in real life.
You kind of have to help me right now. We're done with this. Oh, did it get the color?
It's a little lighter.
Should I put more in?
I think so.
Oh my god, your slime looks like...
Okay, it's getting lighter because you could kind of see the yellow in there.
You can also see it through the cup.
But,
Can you see this in process? Sorry, if you just want to slime. I'm gonna borrow something from over there to kind of adjust your slime a little bit.
the heck is... Okay. So is that all we should do? Just this? We're putting some more slime activator. Activator. It's getting bigger.
Slime, guys. I don't see it, but that's her slime, guys. So how did the color turn out? Oh. I think I had too much cream. You don't ruin it. You know a lot of activator goes a long way.
I mean, goes a long way. Not does a long way.
Start playing with your hands.
I don't know what to do. Okay. Still very sticky.
Your hands.
What?
Look at your fingers.
I know. I look like Shrek.
Oh my god, Shrek slime.
She kills Shrek.
Ah!
I mean, maybe it's Shrek's booger.
Can't.
They're still kind of liquid.
I'm carrying out
Imagine this coming out of nose. Your friend's nose. Would you tell them?
Comment down below.
Would you tell your friends this is coming out of their nose? I probably will.
Yeah.
But
I'll
like,
probably just record them. But
I'd like, you have something coming out of your nose. And then we run to the bathroom and she dies because she's super embarrassed. One more.
Guys, that was a slime. I'm so sorry. That was a slime level.
Okay.
First slime bubble. Babel? It was the slime bubble. Spulaya, spulaya.
Sorry, look good.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear. That was a fail.
Look,
Every
here's
time I'm in the street, I hear.
Ooh, this chair is not working.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear. Every time I'm in the streets, I hear.
That's okay.
The cup looks. Show them the cup, like from just the outside.
So here's the slime, basically.
Look at her slime. Her slime's like the beauty.
And the beast. I'm glad I'm a girl. Should I? Scared.
Julian? Oh my god, you guys.
Okay.
Wait, Josie, we could do pranks now.
We can. Yeah, hold up. Okay, so here's the not finished result, but like it out of the cup. The first time out of the cup. As you saw.
Is it really sticky or no?
A little. It's just,
Stiff.
yeah,
Let me
it's
see.
stringy. No, I want to play with it. It's not that sticky. It's like,
I told
Good.
you overactivated. Comment down below if for our next video we should do a prank on somebody.
yeah, like maybe like a lyric prank
Or like,
on our friend.
you know,
Probably mine.
yeah.
Because her friend doesn't like pranks.
Yeah, we did it yesterday. Yikes.
She was like, bye. So.
We'll do a story time video.
Yeah. So what would you guys think? Tomorrow's story time video? Yeah. Or a prank. So comment down below.
If our schedule is posting, so we'll try to post every single day.
We'll try. But if something comes up, then something comes up. So sorry.
We'll give you like a short video like, oh, something came up or something. You know the deal.
So here's the finished result. It's pretty small, but it's good.
Can I hit?
Yeah. Ooh.
I fixed your slime too.
Okay. So here's her slime. It really looks like boogers. Oh, wait, let's do ASMR.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so here's it is. Hold on, that's my body finger.
Do you want me to record?
Ew! No, get off of me.
Do you want me to record?
Sure. Hold up, let me get clean. Okay, so here it is. It looks pretty, kind of.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's a good slime.
Don't mind those noises in the bag. It's off. Oh my god.
It's very clear too. Look, you can see like this. It's really
This is Jocelyn's slime right here, guys. It's kind of like a butter. Look at that butter slime, honey. Okay, can you record my ASMR?
Yeah.
Click that first. Oh my god.
You're out of frame.
Don't try to move your camera. Okay, so we're gonna start off on a basic swirly. This is how I prepare my swirlies.
Okay, we all know she's bad at that. So yeah, here's the finished product of her slime that she made in 2 videos.
Daddy.
So yeah, and it's like kind of glossy. It's super cute.
Boogers are so cute. Can I have everything now?
Yeah.
Well, I did not expect it to be this texture. It's not really a texture. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but we redid our chair. It smells of elephants. Now they're upside down. But we get a switcheroo if we still want, you know, that gray or this. And we could, you know, we could also exchange the how it looks. Right, Chelsea?
Mm-hmm.
So, guys, comment down below what you think about this slime. I think it turned out very good. It's very droopy. Very clicky. Very clear. I told you guys, I'm making a clear slime. Oh, yes. Did you guys see that? It went flying. But I'm making it up. Ah! Hey, Josie, want to hear a joke?
Sure.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Stephanie.
Stephanie who?
Stephanie, your butt.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So that's all for today.